If crushed ice dispenses when you select cubed ice, or if your ice bucket is difficult to remove, you may need to replace your ice tray. You'll need to inspect the ice tray to confirm the damage, so let's begin with this step. Remove the ice tray. If it's stuck, this may be due to damage that has caused the ice to accumulate. You can unplug the fridge to let any ice melt, or use a steamer to speed up the process. Just be careful and don't use a hairdryer. Remove the ice bucket tray by lifting it up and then pulling it out. Inspect the ice tray for any cracks or damage. Paying attention to the lever at the rear. This is what can cause the ice dispensing issue. If you see damage, you should replace it with a genuine Samsung replacement part. Carefully remove your replacement ice tray from its packaging and slide it into place. Once it's installed, allow the freezer to make ice and then verify that cubed ice is dispensing when selected. As a tip, whenever you are not using ice for long periods of time, you should turn off your ice maker.